Hello. Good morning, Monday. I'm trying to be in the best mood possible. I'm feeling all right. Went to the doctor. They had some polyps they had to remove. One of them, something I can't pronounce. Tubular adenoma, whatever that is. But that means I've got to get a checkup every 5 years. And I'll be back in next week to talk with them. So, onward and upward. All right. We got 7 minutes till the market opens. Y'all, this has looked really funky lately. Let's just go over to it. So, let me see if I can't pull up the daily chart first. Okay, I want you to notice something. Look at all these bars and how tiny and struggly they are to the upside. Look how easy it is for this to fall, okay? It is really struggling to get up to our last high, which is 29.50. But once it gets up there, I will be hard pressed to see it go much further than that. These MACDs are already struggling to go up. Right now it does still say more up, but man, is it struggling to go up there. Let's take a look at this next one. Take a look at my next chart. Ooh, look at this. This is definitely showing some major signs of divergence to push it down into strong EMAs. So maybe pull back into this area and push back up, or all the way back into the 28.99, 2900 area to push up. If we're looking at our trading chart, the 1597, it's trying to set us up for a little divergence like it has in the past, but we have to be very aware that this is just, what's the word I want to use? Hobbling to the upside. Yeah, all right. And then as for the 233 right now it's set up for the long, being above everything, but I'm gonna let this work its way out and see if we've got any news today. Not until Wednesday. OPEC meetings all day. Oh, one last thing I do want to mention, and I'm just gonna pull this up here. When the markets look like this, we have to be very cautious because obviously it's there may be a big push in there, but it's when it dies out, we need to pay attention and to get out. That is the difference between a strong trending market and something that's happening right now. If we're anticipating that one trade that we're taking to keep going for miles, we're doing ourselves a huge disservice. So we want to make sure that whenever we're looking at these kind of things, and let's look at it here. So, it even gave a short potential right here, but look how quickly it died out with the divergence pulling into the zero line reversal bars pushing up, right? So right now we're creating a little bit of a wedge, lower highs, higher lows. This market opens in 2 minutes, which means it's basically getting started now. I'm going to be prepared for the long, even though I don't know that it's going to go very far. This is really giving us signs of the push to the downside, but I'm going to be just a little cautious on it. And so I pulled it in a little bit tighter. Still a little bit lower pivot. Okay. I was about to close it out, but it hid it for me. Do it. That's what you want to do. I'm gonna go ahead and close this one out. It's just my timing is off today. How I feel really more than anything. 2, 3, 4. If this comes all the way back, I really don't want to be in this. Look at the way the McAtees are starting to behave. But it still can show some potential to go down. There we go. I'm closing out. I think I'm trying too hard to make this happen. Showing this tiny little bar and it pulling back. I'm gonna go ahead and take that one out. I'm gonna go ahead and take those two out, showing the potential reversal bar here. This next one, we're just gonna let go for a little while. I'm just gonna go ahead and take this one out. Starting to show potential reversal bar, leading higher, pushing up here. It could definitely keep going down, but y'all, I have struggled today. 7 trades, 9.5 points. Out of that, I only took 2 losses. One of them was a break even and one of them was a 1 tick, well, 2 tick win. Let me just really quick before we wrap this up, let's just go back and see what we can anticipate. It's pulled down to this area and equaled it. It's got a lot of room to run back here. I want to see what the daily chart did after this. That BB, yeah. That BB staying inside and struggling to pull out. This is giving us great distance to run back. Oh my Lord, today was not easy for me. Oh, let's go ahead and mark these out. Actually, I'm gonna pull up the 610 tick chart. I'm done for the day. What time is it? 9:40. I have a lot of catching up to do. The last 2 weeks, it's basically me laying around in bed feeling sorry for myself because I didn't feel good. I started with my life coach. We're doing a celery juice. This was already supposed to be done about 40 minutes ago. My skin looks a lot nicer, I can say that much. What? Weight isn't necessarily falling off, but exercise has not been a priority. It is time to get that back in. Today we kick that in. I'm gonna do some yoga or something, low impact. If I choose to take another trade later, I'll let y'all know, but I got some emails to catch up and some homework to catch up on and just some feel good to catch up on, because I by nature am a pretty easygoing, good feeling person. When I'm down and not feeling great, shit is out of whack. Okay. And if I don't listen to myself during those times, I'm not in tune. When I'm not in tune, I'm not paying attention to what I'm doing. When I'm not paying attention to what I'm doing, I make a lot of mistakes. So, time to tune in, tone up. I'm done. All right. I hope everybody has a fabulous Monday. I'm looking forward to catching y'all more this week than I have in the last couple weeks. Yeah. So, yeah. I look forward to catching y'all soon. So, I hope everybody has a great day, and I will catch y'all on the profitable side.